What about the chickens?
You said you did something to them.
What did I do to them? So I'm grounded?
Yeah.
What am I grounded from?
I don't know.
What did I do to the chickens?
I don't know. You told me I don't remember.
What do you think I did to the chickens?
I don't know. Did you take them?
Maybe.
Hmm.
Do you remember what I'm gonna do to them? Should I butcher them?
Only if it's for a holiday.
How about Taco Day?
Oh no.
We could have chicken tacos.
Oh.
What holiday is it okay to butcher the chickens for?
Oh. I don't know.
I didn't butcher the chickens. They're okay. So what are we gonna do with the chickens?
You stay outside.
They're gonna stay outside?
Yeah.
Do you have names for the chickens?
There's too many.
There's too many to name. Do you play with the chickens?
Yeah.
What do you play with them?
I chase them around. And they chase me back.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we have a swing set.
You have a swing set for the chickens?
Yeah.
Do they like to swing?
Some.
Do they sing songs when they swing?
No.
No? Do you swing with them?
No. Push them.
Well, you push them. You like that, don't you? What if the fox eats the chickens?
Huh.
Do we have a fox?
No.
No. So the chickens are safe? What else do you like about the chickens? What holiday are we going to eat them for?
Only on Thanksgiving.
No, Thanksgiving is turkey.
I don't like turkey.
You don't like turkey? So I can butcher your chickens that you play with on the swing set for Thanksgiving. Yeah? Then you won't have chickens to play with anymore. Are you okay with that? You know Thanksgiving's next week. So I need to butcher the chickens this weekend. Tara, what do you think about that?
What?
I have to butcher the chickens this week for Thanksgiving next weekend. So you can play with them tonight? You gonna go play with the chickens? No, not tonight. Have you named the chickens? Why not? Do your chickens lay eggs? How many? How many eggs do they lay? What? Lots of eggs. Do you play with the eggs? Do you play with the chickens? What do you play with them? Is it like Angry Birds with the pigs? Is it like Angry Birds? Do they fly across the sky?